Have you ever caught yourself thinking, I just don't move like I used to? Maybe your knees feel stiff in the morning, or your balance isn't quite what it was a few years ago. It's easy to blame it on age. After all, everyone says slowing down after 60 is normal. But what if it doesn't have to be? What if the strength, confidence, and stability you once had are still there, just waiting to be reactivated? The truth is, your body has an incredible ability to rebuild itself if you give it the right signals. You see, after 60, the muscles that keep you steady and strong begin to shrink unless you challenge them regularly. Walking is great for your heart, but it doesn't fully train your legs, hips, and core, the foundation of every move you make. That's why so many older adults still struggle with weakness or fatigue, even if they walk every day. But here's the good news. You don't need a gym, heavy weights, or long workouts to change that. With just 5 simple exercises, done right in your living room, you can stay strong, energized, and independent for decades to come. These moves are gentle, joint-friendly, and designed for anyone over 60 who wants to feel forever strong. So grab a chair, take a breath, and let's begin this journey towards strength that lasts a lifetime. The first exercise is called the seated leg lift, and it's one of the simplest ways to awaken the muscles that support your knees and hips. Sit on the edge of a sturdy chair, keeping your back straight and your hands resting gently on the sides. Now lift one leg until it's straight in front of you, hold for a few seconds, then slowly lower it back down. Switch sides and repeat. You don't need to rush. Slow, controlled movements are what activate deep stability muscles. Do this for about a minute on each leg. You'll feel your thighs and core gently engaging, reminding your body that these muscles are still alive and ready to serve you. This small motion may not look like much, but it does wonders. It strengthens the quadriceps, the front thigh muscles that protect your knees, help you stand up, and prevent falls. Over time, you'll find that getting out of a chair, climbing stairs, or even walking long distances feels easier, lighter, and more natural. And the best part? You can do this anytime, while watching TV, reading, or chatting on the phone. 1 minute here, and there adds up to a stronger, more confident you. Now that your legs are awake, it's time to train your upper body with wall push presses. This movement keeps your arms, shoulders, and chest strong, muscles that tend to weaken quickly after 60, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting. Stand facing a wall, about 2 feet away, and place your palms flat against it at shoulder height. Bend your elbows as you bring your body closer to the wall, then press back slowly. Keep your back straight and your stomach gently pulled in. Do 10 slow repetitions, resting if needed. This simple motion helps improve posture, strengthen the upper body, and protect your shoulders from stiffness. It also engages your core, the natural support belt that keeps you balanced and upright. You might be surprised how quickly this exercise restores that open chest, tall posture that radiates confidence. Remember, strength after 60 isn't about pushing harder, it's about moving smarter. Next up is the supported squat, one of the most functional exercises you can ever do. Every time you sit and stand, you're already squatting. This just helps you do it better. Stand in front of a chair, feet hip-width apart, and hold onto the backrest for balance if needed. Slowly lower your hips halfway down as if you're about to sit, then press through your heels to stand tall again. Keep your chest lifted and your knees steady. This movement strengthens your thighs, hips, and glutes, the muscles that power every step, every climb, and every transition. Even 5 or 6 repetitions a day can make a difference. If you've ever worried about getting up from low chairs or losing balance, this single exercise is your insurance policy. It builds power, coordination, and that sense of stability that lets you move without hesitation. Strong legs are the key to aging well. They give you freedom, confidence, and resilience. Now that your lower body is stronger, let's bring everything together with standing knee marches. Think of this as walking in place with purpose. Stand tall, lift one knee toward your chest, lower it, then lift the other. Swing your arms naturally as you move. Start slowly, then find a comfortable rhythm, almost like marching to a beat. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes, breathing steadily. This move might look simple, but it's a powerhouse for your heart, balance, and coordination. It wakes up your hip flexors, strengthens your core, and gently raises your heart rate, all while staying easy on your joints. The more you do it, the more fluid and balanced your movements will become. It's a reminder that mobility isn't lost with age. It just needs to be reawakened. And now, the final piece of your forever strong routine, the glute bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift your hips upward until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for 2 or 3 seconds, then lower back down. Repeat 10 times. This exercise activates your glutes, lower back, and core, the trio responsible for keeping your spine supported and your posture upright. It's especially powerful for easing back pain, improving balance, and making everyday movements, like getting up, bending, or reaching, much easier. Most people over 60 underestimate how important strong glutes are, but this single movement can transform how you feel. A stronger back and hips mean more freedom and less fatigue. Now imagine combining all 5 exercises into one short daily routine. That's less than 20 minutes a day to build a stronger, steadier, more confident version of yourself. No gym, no equipment, no strain. Within a few weeks, you'll notice that stiffness fades, your energy lasts longer, and your steps feel lighter. You'll start trusting your body again because it will respond faster than you think. Strength isn't something you lose with age. It's something you rebuild with intention. Here's something worth remembering. Aging isn't about becoming weaker. It's about becoming wiser in how you move. You've spent decades taking care of others, working hard, and living life. Now it's time to invest a few minutes each day back into you. These simple exercises aren't just movements. They're your path to independence, confidence, and vitality for years to come. So here's your challenge. Choose one of these 5 exercises and start today. Just one. Because once you start, you'll realize how good it feels to move again, and that feeling will pull you back tomorrow. Before you know it, you'll be doing all 5 like second nature. And when someone asks how you stay so active, you'll smile and say, "I started small, and I never stopped." If this video inspired you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Senior Wellness and Health. Tap the bell icon so you never miss our next video filled with routines and tips for healthy, active aging. And if you know someone who's over 60 and ready to feel young again, share this with them. Let's build a stronger community, one movement at a time. Remember, you're not getting older, you're getting better at living. Stay strong, stay active, and I'll see you in the next one.